Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is a software developer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay. So what is a software developer? A software developer is a professional responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining software applications. They work closely with project managers, software architects, and other stakeholders to create software that meets the needs of their clients or organizations. The job of software developer can involve a variety of tasks, including writing and testing code, debugging programs, and documenting software. For my reference, I have here software developer job description 2021 retrieved September 21, 2021 from the following links. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is software developer is all about. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching and support to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.